Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by gathering high-resolution originals and configuring PowerPoint for quality. Open the slide deck and import images from your dedicated folder. This prevents accidental compression. Make sure to save a copy of each original. Once done, set image compression to do not compress in options so PowerPoint won't downscale. You're doing this now because preserving pixel data at import avoids blurry results later. Don't rely on fixes after scaling. Next, position one image, and we'll refine size and export settings. Now refine how each image is placed and displayed. You should scale with corner handles to keep the aspect ratio. Stretching causes visible artifacts. Use PowerPoint's picture format to crop, remove background, and apply subtle sharpness or brightness adjustments. These changes affect perceived quality, so make incremental tweaks. If you edited images in Photoshop or similar, export to sRGB to ensure consistent colors in slides. Otherwise, colors may look washed or oversaturated on different screens. Once that's balanced, prepare for export. Finish by exporting with settings that retain quality. Choose PNG or TIFF and set 300 dpi or enter a custom pixel width to match the target display. This preserves sharp edges and text. For live presentation, set slide show resolution to the projector or monitor's native 1920 x 1080 or 3840 x 2160, so everything scales correctly. If you discover softness later, troubleshoot by re-importing original files, confirming
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.